We got that boy Jonathan down here from that Louisiana, man. And got one bow hog caught.
Oh, my bad, man.
He up here hunting Texas style. Him and Jazz tying it. They bait again. What's the deal, Charlie? That Louisiana boy too, man. Come down here to this Texas hunt.
Had to show him how it's done with the closest.
I got the head, dude.
Y'all got him?
Nope. Here. I got the head from you.
Oh, he got cut.
Let's go catch. She right there.
I'm trying to let everybody want to get to the bay. I thought they was going to try it.
This tree. Somebody got a beer in the pocket? A beer in the pocket?
Oh, you got a little way.